Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage the basic settings on your SoundCloud account easy and quickly. So first enter SoundCloud, click on the library and then click here on the settings, and here we have this basic settings, so click on it, and here we have the language. So if you want to change the language, see, you can just do it from the system default, or if you want to choose it from here, here you can change the app icon. As you see, here we have this experience the new feed, so switching this will off bring back the old feed for a limited period of time. So if you want to turn this on, this is up to you. So that's it. Here also you can clear application cache, so that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.